Laboratory Activity 3. This Python code demonstrates basic discrete time signals operation, shifting, time reversal, and scaling using a simple signal x and is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1. The original signal defines n is equal to 0, 2, 4, and x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then plots the original discrete signal using plt.stem. Number 2. Time shifting. Right shift if x n minus 2. Delay signal by moving it to higher n values like n plus 2. Left shift if x n plus 2. Advances signal to lower n values like n minus 2. And both are plotted together in red and green. Number 3. Time reversal. If x minus n flips the signal across the vertical axis and plots both original and reverse signal for compression. The number 4. Time scaling. Expansion if xn divided by 2. It stretches signal by doubling index spacing. And compression if x2n squeezes signal by halving index and plots both to show how scaling affects the time axis. And the output will look like this: the original signal, time shifting, time scaling, and time reversal. In short, the code visualizes how a discrete time signal changes when it is shifted, reversed, or time scaled. Key concepts in digital signal processing.